It's that super bowl, no, she must flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
The 2018 Audi A3 comes in Premium, Premium Plus or Prestige trims. Adding all-wheel drive and a more powerful engine costs around $3,000. The 2.0T Premium, $32,925, has leather seating surfaces, 17-inch alloy wheels, panoramic sunroof, sedan only. The cabriolet has a power folding fabric roof, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, xenon headlights with LED running daytime lights and LED taillights, 60/40 split, folding rear seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, parking sensors front and rear view camera, rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, 7-inch screen for the multimedia interface, MMI, 2 USB ports, SD card slot, Bluetooth and HD, satellite radio. The sedan has a 10-speaker audio system, the cabriolet has a 9-speaker setup. Premium Plus, $36,175, adds 18-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, start, 8-way power adjustable front passenger seat, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration, self-dimming rear-view mirror, blind spot monitoring, and the S-Line cosmetic package. The Premium Plus trim level is eligible for an optional technology package that brings active lane assist, adaptive cruise control, navigation, Audi's virtual cockpit, a 12.3-inch configurable LCD screen replacing the traditional The Instrument cluster, and a Bang & Olufsen audio upgrade. Prestige, $41,675, comes with the technology package as standard. The sedan receives a 14-speaker/705-watt Bang & Olufsen sound system, while the cabriolet has a 13-speaker/625-watt setup. Other equipment includes full LED headlights with automatic high beams, power folding side mirrors with auto dimming on the driver's side, 4G Lte Wi-Fi hotspot and gesture control for the infotainment system.